Hey everybody, welcome to our cooking channel Pans and Knives.
In today's video, we decided to try something different and came up with this amazing recipe, jackfruit tacos. So let us share our version and let's get into the recipe. You will need jackfruit, red green chilies, ginger and garlic, tomatoes, spring onion, cabbage, bell pepper, onion and half lime.
Moving on to the next step, let's prepare the filling. Heat the pan, add some oil and once it heats, add chopped ginger, garlic, chilies and saute them. After sauteing them for about a minute, it's time to add chopped onions and saute them till they turn pink. Now add tomatoes and cook them until they turn soft. Once they are soft enough, it's time to add spices. We have used 1 tablespoon of turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder and garam masala. You can notice the change in the color. That means the spices have been cooked completely. Now it's time to add jackfruit. We have used the canned one, but you can use the normal jackfruit. Just boil it in the water before you start using it. Mix them with spices thoroughly so that the flavor blends well. Add salt as per your taste. Now set it aside. Moving on to the next step, let's prepare turmeric taco. We will use 1 cup of wheat flour and we will season it with salt, turmeric, cumin powder and chili powder and knead it into a soft dough using water and oil. Once done, divide the dough into equal proportion and size as shown. Using a rolling pin, flatten the dough and make a roti as shown. Moving on to the next step, let's prepare salad. We will mix chopped vegetables, spring onion, bell pepper and red cabbage. We have used sumac powder for seasoning, but you can use lime instead and mix it well. Moving on to the last step, let's assemble everything. Arrange the roti on a plate, add jackfruit filling and top it up with salad and enjoy. It tastes amazing. You have to try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Meanwhile, like, share and subscribe to our channel Pans and Knives.